Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this kombucha. This is Canadian made, so if you look here, kombucha, this is their love potion kombucha, and check this out. There is the nutrient panel and the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. So we'll do a quick taste test. Alright, let's do it. Ooh, this has a strong, like cinnamon spice sort of flavor to it. Quite strong. And it comes through. Let me see just ingredients here: blueberry, lavender, hibiscus. It must be the hibiscus that's coming through actually. So, because it doesn't have the it doesn't have cinnamon as a flavor, so try it again. Yeah, it's probably the hibiscus, and then the lavender gives it that sort of fragrant smell to it. And there is rose in there too. So, all right, guys, see more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.